What is up, guys? This is Kim over here, and welcome back to another Transfer 6 video. Today we're going to be doing another Bakerloo line service. And yeah, so I'm gonna be honest. Today might be a short video, and I'm gonna explain why. Because today might be a really short video. It might be up to 10 minutes long. I don't know. And plus, I'm not going actually gonna be finishing the full service. I'm actually not in the mood I'm actually not in the mood to do a entire service. I'm actually not in the mood. Um, so I might either stop. So I might either stop at Queens Park. I might either stop this video at Queens Park. I mean, once we get to Queens Park, or Kensal Green in this timetable. So yeah, because I really do not feel like doing a full thing. I might do for real, but no. So I also want to talk about some stuff. Okay. You guys already know. The S7A Canadian National Unit is coming out this Saturday, so you guys will be able to get your hands on it till then. And also in 2 weeks, and probably in 2 weekends, probably maybe I'm gonna try next weekend, not this weekend, but the week after, if you guys know what I mean. So there's going to be another Hero Rider race. Okay, there was gonna be another Hero Rider race. It's just gonna be just a regular old video. Okay, it's just gonna be just a regular video, no countdown, no nothing. It's just gonna be a regular video about what's gonna be happening on the Chimera Life Adventures and also on this channel. So, yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's mainly gonna be about the second channel, to be honest, because I really don't have a lot to talk about for this current channel. But it mainly gonna be talking about the second channel. So just letting you guys know that. Alright, I am praying that I can get through this in one piece. Hopefully, I don't know. Okay, Jesus Christ. Yeah, I don't know. I am tired. Like I'm really tired. That's why I'm sounding like this. I'm mad, I'm irritated. It is 1:26 in the morning right now. So yes. It's 1:36 a.m. right now. Alright, let me get this started on reverse. I mean, it's a foreign enemy. The heck? Come on. What are we waiting for? I'm confused. We just gotta wait for something. I don't know. Yeah, so I don't know how to even start this video off. I might just be quiet for like the whole journey. I don't know. But yeah. What? Why am I already moving? Bro, I'm so sick of this thing beeping. It's so annoying. I mean, I think that is real life. I don't know. It might be though. Okay. Yeah. So there was gonna be another Hero Rider race. I'm gonna try this weekend, but I can make it a promises. All right, here we go. Got a one notch. I'm not gonna go too fast too soon. I don't know. I don't know. It's just that it's been a hard week for me. So that's why I'm not really in the mood. Cause like the way how I'm sounding, you guys can tell the way how I'm talking. I have pumped up. I have anger in my voice, tiredness in my voice, and PISSOFF in me right now. Cause like I said, it's been a hard week for me. And it's some freaking bullcrap that it didn't even freaking do, but you know how this freaking world be. Like, for real. I'm not, no, like, it's not even funny anymore. This week has been this week has been so hard for me. Like, seriously. Alright, I don't know. I'm just irritated. I don't know. Honestly, what should I do? Should I tell y'all the story of what happened? Should I tell y'all the story? Cause I know it's not no one's business, but I honestly should tell. So I honestly should tell y'all. It might be cyberbullying. It might be cyberbullying. It might be cyberbullying. I can't say it right, but come on, you guys know I don't care at all. Like, dude, I'm just so tilted right now. I'm so tilted. It's not even funny. I don't like that whistle. It's annoying. Ain't no way the whistle sounds like that in real life. Alright. Break. I mean, like, this big hunk of metal for a whistle. Just ridiculous. I was expecting it to have a horn. It's like the crocodile locomotive. The Baker, the tube stack. It's like the 1020 Oyster Register Bundesbahn or OBB. I don't know. I don't know what kind of. Is it Deutsche Bahn? I don't know. The 1020. Man, I don't know what it's called. I don't know. I don't know anything about German slash Austrian trains. Like, come on, now, like that crocodile looking train. A big hunk of metal for a whole freaking whistle. That's just ridiculous. South Kensington. Next stop. Yo. I don't know what to do. I actually don't know what to do. I am so. I am so tired right now. What time is it? I'm looking at my watch right now. I'm trying to focus on the speed. And it's gonna crash on me again. It's 1:34 a.m. Oh wait, what if I pause it? Cause sometimes when the game runs. That probably didn't even do anything. Oh, the second I popped up in the menu, it was just... I don't know. Okay, so... South Kensington. I'm gonna try to stop a little closer to the station, because... It seemed... Because the brakes on this thing are insane. It brakes really hard. Or too quick, I should say. I'm trying to see. No, cause like when I did it the first time, no, cause like when I popped up the pause menu thing, it stopped. Like it stopped lagging. I don't know. Cause I usually don't be paying attention to my phone. Cause I'm always looking at the TV, so I usually don't be paying attention to the phone. I'm looking at it right now. I'm staring at it like a hawk. Jesus. Get some more speed. North Wembley. Or North Wembley. The next stop. The liking isn't as bad as last time. I mean, it's quitting the thing, but it's not like bad as last time. I've never seen that one train going through this. This isn't a track right here on this on the West Coast Main Line side of this route. Which there is layers that you can get in this route. There is in the Bakerloo line, which I'm surprised because apparently the West Coast Main Line route and the Bakerloo line is like connected to each other. Because when you're in because oh my god I can't speak when you're in the West Coast Main Line, there is a Bakerloo line or like how do I say this? There's a tube stick. I don't know how I say this. It's like a tube stick type section of the track, which is this one. But it goes from Queens Park, and then in the Bakerloo line you can see the West Coast Main Line sits in the track, like what we're looking at right now. Honestly, kind of cool. I want I want to see more routes like this. I do. Where like because like for example the Bakerloo line, you can see the West Coast Main Line side, which actually you can try trains on this, honestly, but it's like for some reason there's like a noticeable wall right here, but there is a way that you can't get through the noticeable wall, like how I just did with the camera. Yeah, all right, let's get moving. Wembley Central, or Central, I mean, Jesus. Come on. I'm trying to see if I can stop a little too close to the platform. Cause like once I slowly start creeping up to the platform, and I hit the brakes. Cause I'm trying to actually like fit the whole train on the platform. Let's see if I can do that. Right about now. Stonebridge Park. Next station. Can you enter in this garage? Or I'm sorry, not garage. The train, the shed. I mean, oh my god. It's doing it again. Like, oh my god. Oh, I'm trying to see. It's like every time when I pop up the thing, it kind of slows down a little bit. Oh Jesus. I don't know what to do. I got the thing crashing on me. You know, freaking. You know, should I just say at this point I might as well, cause I know you guys are, cause I know you guys are curious right now of why I am so angry and not in the mood. Well, I'll tell you guys one of them. This bullcrap, the freaking thing keeps crashing. It's lagging. What the heck? No, stop! Please! Like, goodness. Okay. Break. Because I know you guys are really curious right now about, like, freaking, like what happened. Because I know you guys are really curious. I'm just picturing it in my head. It's just bullcrap that I didn't even do. It's something that I didn't even do. And, like, well, it's something that I did do, but the freaking... You deserved it. Are they floating? Is this... Oh, no, it's not. I was about to say. Oh, jeez.